welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, I had mentioned to you in my previous one that I was going to be showing you the whole bookcase slash cubicle thing that I created in the entryway. So that's what today's video is going to be all about. I had a place in the entryway that was sort of an odd shaped wall, and I just didn't know what I was going to put on there. I was trying to figure it out. I'm like, what am I going to put there? So I came to the conclusion of doing a little sort of not a bookcase, but a little shelf cubicle thing where I can put my keys, put a little bit of decorations, also hang some of my purses. And I just thought that it was the perfect little spot as soon as you come in, because my entryway is very tiny. I cannot put anything. And every time I come in the house, I don't have a place for my keys. So I just thought that it was the perfect piece to create there. Before we jump into this whole DIY part, I love to mix my fashion with my DIY. As much as I love showing you guys some clothing, and I think that, you know, fashion has a lot to do obviously with clothing, how you express yourself, but I think that accessories are just as important. I think that they make an outfit. They can make or break an outfit. So I recently got some sunglasses from a company called Technic Gadgets, and I'm so blown away by the glasses that I received. I actually got 3 sunglasses and I could not be happier. I mean, the price was amazing, the quality was amazing. When I love a product, I have to share it. What I love about this company is they have some classic sunglasses, but they also have some funkier sunglasses. I mean, there's a mix of everything on there. So obviously I had to go towards more of the funkier sunglasses. You guys know I love my weird pieces, but I went with these 3 pair of sunglasses that have sort of a very steampunk look to them. And the reason why they have that look is they have these sort of side panelings on each side of the sunglasses, and I think they add so much character and they make them so much more unique and cool and different. I don't know if you've ever had some sunglasses where there's a lot of the reflection from the back that hits the lens and then you can barely see. So what's cool is that it protects your eyes and you have no glare of the sun in the lens. So that's a plus. So they look cool and they are good for protecting your eyes. Another thing is they are unisex. So if you want to buy some for yourself and for your husband or for your brother or whoever, your friend, you can totally swap it and just change it up a little bit. The price point is insane for the quality. So I'm going to let you know each sunglasses how much I paid for them, and you're going to be blown away. So anyway, I'm going to start off with my first pair of sunglasses, and I got, I believe it's called the Finnegan sunglasses. These glasses retailed at $34.95. The quality was so beautiful. I chose the color black. I just think that black is a timeless piece. It goes with everything. I think you can wear them more on a daily. I could not be happier with this pair. The shape was amazing and it just gives a whole edge to your outfit, which I love. Moving on to my second pair of sunglasses, I didn't want to get a pair of black ones. I wanted to get a pair of brown ones. What I thought was so cool and what I love, and I think that just complement each other, is when you buy a pair of brown sunglasses, I love gold detailing on it, and this gold detailing was so amazing. I just love the shape. I love the gold detailing. As much as they're like funky and cool, I do think they have sort of a classic feel to them, if that makes sense. I love that it can either be grunge look or steampunk, but you can also dress it up or dress it down and just make it look a little bit more sophisticated and just a cooler, edgier look. Moving on to my last pair, when it comes to sunglasses, love a good pair of aviator sunglasses. I just think that they are the perfect sunglasses. I think that they look good on every shape of face, whether you have a heart shape, a round face, an oval, a more boxier face. I think aviators are universal. They're an amazing style for every face shape. I just think they look good on everybody. So I definitely had to get myself a pair. I didn't want to go into the black. They had other colors, but I decided to go with the more subtle look, and I stuck to brown and gold trim. And the detailing on the side was like this brown leather, and I just think everything looked amazing together. These were $29.95, which, I mean, where can you find a pair of sunglasses at $29.95? I mean, you just can't. They also come with a little case so that you can protect your sunglasses. I could not be happier with all of my sunglasses. If you guys are not much into sunglasses, they also have watches on there and they have a few accessories. I'll leave all their information down below, so if you're interested, go check out their site. I am sure you will find something for you, for your family member, for whoever. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. Enjoy. that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me. It just allows me to know that you are enjoying the content that I'm putting out there for you. My most important thing is that if you're happy, I'm happy, and that makes everybody happy. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you always. Have an amazing day. Mwah. Bye.